nyomwebazyo abeebembezi ba district ya Ntungamo basibira hakurambura no kureba uruzemero miliyoni ekorwa mu kombeka ishomero ya Ruhaama Secondary School. Abeebembezi abahina bashangira siminti yatangire kushatuka kandi hine nebindi batireme bituri.
Buildings zitwashanga ziri mu cracks. Nezo buildings tukazigamba. Twagira ngo engineer cracks izo zazitakubasa kuruga muke ati utayize.
If I would have to advise that all that we have done may require some kind of overhaul, and it requires a cost. Like the other hole there, it may not last long. I have seen the other buildings where the cement has already cracked. It's barely not 6 months when the cement has cracked.
We are not supposed to be lamenting now. All right? It's either our problem or their problem. So what I should do now, instead of sleeping here, let's wait. 30th of what? 30th of January, handing over, and we see what they are going to what? To hand over. Either say yes or say what?
Say no.
Isn't it?
Mukuru w'ishomereri Nikora Satori nwe nagirango abakuru ku rw'umu State House bakaba nabo barambwira ishomereri kandi baragira contract kurugarakamu.
When it comes to the ICT floor, they said it must be redone. It must be redone, and if the contractor finds it expensive, he puts their tiles.
Aho na bayine yo sente zeza kuja kubona muzongera yo misho.
So as a project manager, we recommend that we work hand in hand with the contractor to make sure he speeds up works and he completes according to the schedule. Then we follow the normal handing over and taking over of facilities.
Anthony Katiz, ori engineer wa Glodian General Surprise Limited, kandi abine mpatano yo kunduza ishomereri nagirango ibintu by'abemezo ba district barukwenda ngo byongerweho bekaba bitari mu contract kandi nibyetaga sente nyingi.
For example, tiling or doing terrazzo for the floors, we tried calculating and found that it is a bit expensive to do tiles and terrazzo compared to this normal screen, the one we had budgeted for.
Ishomereri ryakunduza ubwo hari sente zo kwingano kahumbe kamwe no bukikuru Rwanda kandi bombecero heberaso mukaga ebyabana kushomeramo ICT block, multipurpose hall, science lab, kamena zabo journalists, utiro no kuruzitira gashakwiriya sortu gusa.